Hi guys, and welcome back to Tools Informer. A portable workbench allows you to take your projects to any location. However, with so many portable workbenches on the market, selecting the best portable workbench is not straightforward. You need to consider things like size and weight, material, clamping system, adjustability, and versatility. To make your work easier, we did thorough research and came up with the best portable workbenches on the market. If you would love to find out more about the products, we featured links in the description box below, which are also updated for the best prices and offers. WORX WX051 Pegasus Folding Work Table. Top of our list is the WORX Pegasus Folding Work Table. This is the best portable folding work table as it is versatile, easy to use, durable, and simple to store and transport. The WORX Pegasus Folding Work Table can hold up to 300 pounds as a work table and support up 1,000 pounds as a sawhorse. Besides, this work table comes with 2 custom clamps that are integrated and remain attached when the table is folded into a sawhorse. So, whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, you will find it easy to transition between the work table and sawhorse. What's more, this workbench is very versatile and can create a whole work counter if you have more than 3 Pegasus together. Made from durable, molded ABS with steel support and fittings, this is a pretty sturdy workbench. On the contrary, it only weighs 25 pounds, meaning it is light. And with the foldable design, this work table is easy to store and transport. Aside from the sturdy construction and ease of use, the WORX Pegasus Folding Work Table is fitted with cutting-edge technology and above modern efficiency. This makes it a straightforward and cost-effective workbench to have at home or the worksite even with limited space. WEN WB4723T Workbench. The WEN 48-inch workbench is a simple but versatile and useful workbench that can serve the needs of woodworkers, crafters, artists, mechanics, and even DIY enthusiasts. It is one of the best portable workbenches on the market as it also allows the user to stay organized while working on their project. Thanks to features like the pegboard, combined with the 220 by 18-inch drawers that make storage easy but also ensure everything is organized. Furthermore, the workbench comes with a heavy-duty bottom shelf that supports up to 200 pounds of weight, giving you extra storage space. And with a spacious working station that measures 62 inches tall with a 25 by 48-inch footprint. This is a very versatile work table. On top of that, it provides users with a 47 by 23-inch tabletop that supports up to 220 pounds of weight. Unlike some workbenches that cannot be used in poorly lit areas, the WEN 48-inch workbench has an overhead fluorescent light bulb that illuminates your workpiece for precision and accuracy. On top of that, it has 3-sided mounted 120-volt 13-amp outlets that give the user power when needed. BLACK+DECKER WM425 A Portable Workbench. The BLACK+DECKER portable workbench is a nice foldable workbench that can be used for woodworking, carpentry, automotive work, and DIY projects. Additionally, it is equipped with several features that simplify the work of the user. One of the top features of this workbench is the adjustable swivel pegs for clamping objects of all shapes. This also makes this work table to be versatile and handle different projects. Besides, it comes with vertical and horizontal clamping options for versatility. And since this workbench is made from a heavy-gauge steel frame and laminated bamboo stock worktop, it will last for a long time. On top of that, it can hold up to 550 pounds. The BLACK+DECKER workbench is also easy to set up, store, and transport, thanks to its easily foldable design that allows the opening and closing of the workbench in seconds. A unique feature of this work table is the under-the-table footrest that provides the user with better leverage and stability when in use. KETER 197283 Folding Table Workbench. If you've got limited space at your worksite or just want a portable workbench, the KETER Folding Table Workbench is the best folding workbench for you. Made from long-lasting resin with heavy-duty aluminum legs, this workbench is very durable. What's more, it comes with a weather-resistant polypropylene finish that prevents denting, rusting, and peeling. Despite being sturdily made, the KETER Folding Table Workbench is lightweight as it weighs less than 30 pounds. On the contrary, it can support up to 1,000 pounds and it is easy to fold, transport, and store. Besides, it is perfect for any type of project, as it features 2 12-inch clamps to secure different materials with varying shapes. With the KETER Folding Table Workbench, the user can utilize it for holding woodworking tools or even sawing, thanks to the vast workbench with a large working surface area. Besides, this workbench never rusts. Performance Tool W54025 Portable Workbench. If you're on a tight budget but still desire a reliable and versatile foldable workbench, the Performance Tool Portable Multi-Purpose Workbench and Vise is the best workbench for you. Even though this workbench doesn't come with a large working surface area, it can support up to 200 pounds. Moreover, it is very versatile and convenient as it comes with a ruler and protractor. And it's printed with grid. The Performance Tool Portable Workbench has a one-handed clamp system, thus allowing independent jaw adjustment to be made. And since it is easy to set up, fold, store, or even transport, this is one of the best workbenches for DIY and startup woodworkers. Note that this tool also comes with a versatile clamp system with jaws that resist warping and can be angled to fit uniquely shaped materials. Last but not least, this foldable workbench comes with a tool storage rail to make tools easily accessible while working. While there are so many exceptional portable workbenches on the market, the WORX W051 Pegasus Folding Work Table is the best portable workbench. This is because it can be utilized as a sawhorse or a work table. Besides, it also comes with clamps and docks for simplified work, a storage shelf for keeping tools, and its foldable design makes it easy to keep and transport,